Guys, I'm sorry about the background. Are you hearing me loud noise? But today I'm going to be making slime. So first thing you're going to need is some glue. I'm using this Tarlax Pops, I think. I don't know what it says, but it's on there. You guys can read that. And then we're going to add some baking soda to the end of it. Then we're going to need contacts. Contact lotion. And then we're going to